Sunlight versus daylight. Let's make a model and take a look. According to the heliocentric spinning spaceball, the sun is 93 million miles away, and it makes a 93 million mile arc. Now, if the Earth is turning backwards, the sun will appear to set. And if the Earth is turning forward, then the sun will appear to rise. So we attach a camera to our globe model, and let's see what the sun looks like. Okay, here's the sunset on our model. And what I want you to notice is after the sun sets, look how dark the Earth is. Let's compare it to reality. Here's a sunset from a mountain in Hawaii. After the sun sets, look how bright it is still. Now let's check out the sun in Florida. Now look, the sun is totally gone. And look how bright it is out still. Let's compare it to our model again. Okay, here's our sunset. And the globe is totally dark. Maybe our flashlight isn't bright enough. Let's make another model. Okay, this time we're going to use a super bright light. This is 120,000 lumens. It's like the same that belongs like in a football stadium. Crazy bright. Now the Earth is super bright. And let's see what it looks like this time. And we have our sunset. And look, the Earth is still completely black. Obviously, it doesn't matter how bright the light is. It goes from completely lit up to completely black. You can see the line right there. It doesn't match reality. Maybe it's caused by what the sun is made of. Let's take a look. NASA.gov. The sun is a huge ball of hydrogen and helium. You see how it says is right here, like it's a fact? It's not like a theory. How do they know it's made of hydrogen and helium? Houston, this is Apollo 33. We're coming up to the surface of the sun. We're about to lower the heat shields to see what the sun is made of. Okay, we're lowering the heat shields. This is cool, Captain. The surface of the sun is definitely made out of hydrogen and helium. I can see it. Oh no, it's getting hot in here. Oh my god. What the hell? Oh my god, this shield's burned up. Ah! Of course they won't admit it, but obviously they have no clue what the sun is made of. And this is supposedly a real video of the sun. Look how fake it looks. How come when an amateur takes a picture, it looks like this? And like this? Is it possible we're being misled? Is it possible that the sun not only gives off light, but it also energizes the atmosphere? Is that why after the sun sets, you can still see daylight? Is it possible that the sun is electric? Let's look for more clues. Here's a dead giveaway. We all know that plants need sunlight to live. Here's some plants growing underneath fluorescent lights. Do you think fluorescent lights are made of hydrogen? Obviously, fluorescent lights are electric. Let's talk about solar panels. Now, scientists don't know how solar panels work. They have a theory, like, where the photon hits the electron and replaces the electron with another electron, and then creates electricity. Way out of my pay grade. But usually stories that are made up are out of my pay grade. Do you think solar panels create electricity? Or after what you learned so far, does it make more sense that solar panels collect electricity? And check out how cool this is. Watch what happens when we electrify different types of gases, such as helium, argon, neon. Look at the different colors they make. Don't you think it actually matches our atmosphere? Look at that blue. Blue sky. A sunset. It makes sense that the sun would be electrifying different types of gas in our atmosphere to make the wonderful colors that we see. Now let's talk about the sun distance. Let's let Neil deGrasse Tyson explain it using geometry.
Turns out we can't see the bottom of both wells at the same time. What might explain this? Well, there are two possible explanations. First, we could have a flat Earth with the sun that's small and close by, so that the light hits the second well at an angle. Or second, we could have a curved Earth with a sun that's big and far away, so that all the light comes in parallel, but only one well at a time is lit all the way to the bottom. Turns out with just two wells, there's enough wiggle room for both explanations to fit our observation.
Now, if the sun was big and 93 million miles away, do you think it could electrify the atmosphere? I don't think so. And that's why it makes total sense that the sun is local and it's electrifying the atmosphere, making it a wonderful place. Now take off your shoes, get your butt out in the sun, and soak it up, because it ain't that far away.